Do you know that this one little product can cost you a $10 million recall? So one contaminated cable tie into your process can cost you $10 million. These are a brand new product. They're our TyGenic Cable Ties. They are antimicrobial and detectable. Antimicrobial is in it prevents bacteria growth to 99.9% plus, and detectable, blue for vision, also can be picked up by an x-ray equipment, also can be picked up by a metal detector, and will also be picked up by a magnet. So TyGenic Cable Ties.